fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you some goodies that I found from the folks over at DIYChoose. So I've got a couple of canvases and then, as usual, a pen, because I can't resist diamond painting pens. So this one caught my eye, and it's just pretty. It's got these little beads, and they have all different colors of pins. So if you want to get, the blue here, they had all different colors, but it's just a typical diamond painting pen. Just thought it was pretty. Oh, and this one was $1.59. And like I said, they had all different colors. I don't remember exactly if the beads were all the same colors, but I know the pins were different colors. So there's that. Just a really cute, simple diamond painting pen. All right, and then I'm going to start with the smaller canvas first. This one is a partial. It is a 30 by 40, and I just thought this one was really pretty. I don't normally do a lot of flowers, and every time I see somebody post on Instagram doing a floral kit, I think, oh, I should have got that. But for whatever reason, when I'm looking, I tend to skip over them. So this one's going to be a floral. Let's look and see what I got. So standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. You can see here it is a special drill kit. And here we go. Like I said, this is a 30 by 40. So it's a little bit bigger than I would normally get, but it's a fairly simple design with just the flowers, some special drills for the middle. It is nice and sticky where it needs to be. So it says 30 by 40. Let's measure this and see. So where you can see where I would trim it, it is 26.5 by, and this is a little bit of guesswork here because it's kind of faded at the top, by 35. So 26.5 by 35. Ooh, there's only 5 colors, you guys. That's not very many at all, especially considering that 2 of them are these special drills. So let me open the drills and see what we get. All right, so as you can see, again, it's a very simple kit. We've got this kind of burnt orange. We've got 2 packages of clear rhinestones. We've got this very pretty kind of pale watermelon crystal, and then we get our 2 special drills, which are these large pearls, and then we've got these medium-sized golden marquee shaped ones. So those are the ones, these golden ones are the ones that go in the middle for the stamens. Is that what, I'm trying to remember my high school botany here. And then our little pearl ones here, and then the other colors everywhere else. Yeah, just a really simple, easy, fun floral kit. And this one was $5.50. And as always, I will put links to all of these items down below. Okay, let me clear this one away and get the other one out. It's kind of big, so I'm not going to be able to fit it all on the table, but I'll be right back to show it to you. All right, here we are with the last kit for today. All right, super excited for this kit because, guys, it's another Mucha. I know you're probably getting tired of seeing all these Muchas, but I love his artwork, and I'm having a lot of fun sharing the joy of his artwork with everyone. As you can see, this one is quite large. This one is 40 by 90, I think is what it's listed as. Oof. Okay. So standard toolkit, boat, plate of wax, pink pen. As large as it is, I wish they'd given you a little bit more wax, but everybody has tons of wax, so it's not that big of a deal. Not my favorite way to get drills. These are those 200 drill bags, but look at all the pretty colors. So let me set those aside, and I will show you. This is Primrose by Mucha. So it is nice and sticky where you need it to be. This is one that I believe Diamond Art Club did. So this is not going to be as fancy or as detailed, but again, I really like that these public domain artworks are coming to the budget companies to make it more accessible. So we've got 28 colors, which is a nice amount. We do have the DMC codes. There is a schematic here, and then also a schematic down here at the bottom. So we've got 28 colors, like I said. It says 40 by 90, so let's measure. It is 32. And let me lay it this way, and you can see a bit more of how it looks. And it says 90, but what I'm getting is 82. So 35 by 82, something like that. What did I say? Across 82 by 32. So not terrible. And there's some nice, well, I was going to say there was some nice multi-placing, but actually I think this is going to be pretty confetti heavy. There is some nice multi-placing, it looks like, on the edges and then the little, window behind her. But I thought this was all going to be, I thought her skin would be a lot of multi-placing, but it's actually looking like there's some pretty good confetti in there. So this one will be a confetti heavy one. But usually that means, in my experience, if it's confetti heavy, that it's going to end up looking better in the end. So again, that Art Nouveau style, you've got this kind of framework, up here at the top. You get her beautiful face, and she's holding these, I'm assuming, primrose flowers. And then again, this kind of side shot with her, in profile, looking a little bit over her shoulder, and then this long drapey, flowy gown, and the framework all around it. Just, yeah, typical Mucha, typical Art Nouveau, and I just think it's super pretty. Okay, so now that we've looked at the canvas and I've measured it a bit, let me dive into the huge bag of drills and let's see what we get. I will be right back. I don't know if I'll get these drills back into the bag the way they were in there, but anyway. All right, so we've got a very pale peach here. I'm going to guess that's skin. We've got kind of a sage green. We've got kind of a very dark gray. We've got another peach here. We have a dark brown. We have kind of a lighter brown. A very dark brown. We've got like a salmon pink color. We've got quite a bit of this pale yellow. We've got some kind of very pale turquoise. I really like that color. We've got a lot of another shade of peach. We've got a pale golden yellow. And then we have a very light tan. We've got two different shades of gray here. This one's like a kind of a greenish gray, and this one's more of a light gray. And then we have another kind of true peach color. We've got a light brown, kind of a mustardy yellow, and then we've got a pale yellow, some darker kind of turquoise sagey green, and then we've got some very, very pale yellow, some very pale kind of sage green, and then we have, how many different colors of green here did I just pick up? So we've got this kind of yellowish green, and then we've got another kind of olive green. Whoops, that's two different colors. Here we've got like this kind of, again, olive green, dark olive green, another lighter sage green, some gray, and some like caramel. So 28 colors. So there are all the colors. And yeah, I just can't wait to see how she's going to turn out. This sweet little face with all the flowers and then all these different colors. And I just thought it was super pretty. And this one was $14.19. Okay, so let me grab everything else and I'll do a little bit of a recap here. So we've got our Mucha here, the 40 by 90. We've got our pretty special drill floral, and then we have our very pretty kind of floral beaded diamond painting pen. You can find the links for all of these in the description box down below. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.